Hi boys and girls, today you are going to help me put flowers in my flower pot, okay? Now you're going to help me do that by sounding out the letters that make the word. Now on the flower pot we have a bed, bed. When we listen to the beginning of the word bed, what letter does it start with? Bed starts with letter B. Bed. Let's listen to the next sound. Eh. The next sound is E. D. What sound does it end with? D. It ends with the letter D. Bed. It has 3 sounds. And that flower pot is all full. Let's try the next flower pot. This is a jet. J. What letter do you think jet starts with? Jet starts with letter J. Jet. The middle sound is an E. What sound does jet end with? T. Jet. Jet. 3 sounds. Jet. Remember, boys and girls, when you are sounding out the letters, you want to make sure to stretch that word. Stretch out that word. Say it very slowly. I want you guys to go around the house and I want you to pick 2 more items. You are going to sound it out just like we did. You're going to figure out how many sounds are in the word, and then you will write it. So if I am in my house and I find a pen, I'm going to write pen. Starts with a P. Middle sound E. N. Pen. Okay? And I want you to find another item. So you're going to find 2 of your own items to write. You may use your fingers to help with sounds. Pen. Boys and girls, have fun looking for items around the house and seeing if you can spell them. I know you can do it. You're a smarty pants.